Burundi, one of the 6 partner states of the East African community, is rich in culture. Burundi's traditional dance troupe entertains guests at the celebrations to mark 20 years of the East African Court of Justice. The country's Vice President Prosper Bazombanza represented President Evariste Ndayishimiye. The judges of the East African Court of Justice demanded that it should be granted financial autonomy.
It is indeed regrettable that there has been delay in establishing and operationalizing the court's administration and the financial autonomy, even after the bill has been adopted by the Council of Ministers. You hear that it is only Burundi and Uganda who have submitted their comments.
To this effect, the East African Legislative Assembly has already passed a bill that awaits assent of the heads of state.
Despite the fact that through interpretation of community laws and judicial activism, the court has significantly created its space despite that challenge. We have passed a number of resolutions to advocate for the extension of the jurisdiction of the court and the permanence of judges as opposed to the ad hoc arrangement.
In order for our community to prosper, we need national judiciaries and our international court with the judges and magistrates who are with impartiality, integrity, independence, free from corruption.
Kenyan Professor of Law Patrick Lumumba was today's keynote speaker.
A case which we have been told was filed through our good friend Professor Sempembwa, the case of Andrew Kalisto Mwatela. The court is then invited to look at an issue which, if the court were to be textual and the court were to be conservative, it would have said we have no jurisdiction. It would have said jurisdiction is everything. It would have said jurisdiction is conferred, and that jurisdiction must be conferred expressly and must not be assumed. But the court, in a very clever way, started what I call the creeping acquisition of jurisdiction which is not expressly conferred.
The East African Court of Justice, comprising of 11 judges of both appellate and first instance division, will from next week spend 3 weeks hearing several cases filed before the court here in Bujumbura. Vice President Prosper Bazombanza welcomed the court's decision to hold sessions in Burundi, as it will create awareness about the mandate of the court among the Burundians. Jjingo Francis, NTV in Bujumbura in the Republic of Burundi.